What's going on, guys? Key here. I want to welcome you to another episode of Kees Cars. Today, we are looking at an absolute legend, the Subaru WRX STI. Let's get it going.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And really quick, I just want to thank everybody for watching right now, for subscribing and liking the video. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm on the push right now to get to my next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers. So again, just pushing to get the channel out there. If you like it, please subscribe. Now let's get straight into the transformation. So the Subaru WRX STI, what could the next generation look like? Well, everything that I've looked at and researched says that Subaru is probably going to build it on a platform that's already existing, the Subaru WRX, which is sold overseas. It's not here in the US, but we know that the STI is going to be on the sedan platform. So what I'd like to do right now is kind of just look at what we've already got. And let me tell you this, what we've already got, I actually really like. So first off, we have to look at the concept that Subaru debuted last year. And then around September, I believe, of last year, Car and Driver released some spy shots that they had supposedly of the Subaru WRX STI. And the part that I'm really excited about is the fact that so many of the body lines from the concept actually are represented here in the WRX production vehicle. Everything from that rear fender haunch to the front fender line, that little kind of swoosh shaped body line that carries through from the back, from the front to the back, and then also that horizontal body line on the bottom of the door panels. It's all there, and that makes me really excited because it makes the transformation just that much more feasible that they could actually come out with an STI that looks a lot like the concept. So the very first obvious thing that I'm going to take a look at is I've got to transform the WRX, which is a wagon, and I hope I'm saying that correctly. I've got to transform that into a sedan, because we know that here in the US, they're going to bring us the WRX STI in a sedan form. I wish they'd bring us a wagon. I love wagons, but we know they're going to do it in a sedan. So we're going to look at the sedan. And of course, the next thing that we've got to do is add all of the STI bits, like that off-color side cladding around the fenders, the side skirts, and the big rear wing. And one thing that I really need to take a look at is going to be those rear tail lights. Because in the spy shots, the taillights don't look like what we see here in the production model of the WRX. So I've got to see if I can tailor these to look more like what the spy shots look like, but I'm also going to use a little bit of imagination here and kind of project what I hope that they look like, so that they can be very distinctive in the lighting department. So we're going to address those rear tail lights, which is why I want to do both the front and the rear of the car in this one video. Okay, so with all of that said, man, I'm excited to get this going. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's key this WRX STI. Yo, and here we go, guys. This is my render of what I hope the 2022 Subaru WRX STI looks like when it hits American soil. I'm still a little bit torn on the taillights. They remind me, especially with that wing, of the back of the Honda Civic, and I don't want to say that, but it still does. It just does. But I think with the taillights kind of going across into the back of the tailgate, or rather the trunk on this, that in combination with kind of that third tail light on the bottom of the diffuser and then the four tailpipes, I really like the way this is going. In addition, that side molding on the car, especially on a white color, I think it really sets it off. I also kind of out of the screen capture went and transformed this into blue as well. Of course, that that good old Subaru Rally blue. Wanted to see what it would look like, and that in combination with the gold wheels and the front indicator lights that I changed to yellow, I really like this. But I need you guys to tell me what you think on this video as well. So leave a comment, drop a like. Guys, please subscribe. Again, I'm on the push to get to 1,000 so that this channel will be legit. I'm hooked. I'm completely hooked on creating these videos, and so I'm enjoying engaging with you guys, and I really just want to thank you all for watching, for subscribing, for making this all possible for me to have this outlet on YouTube. So thank you guys very much. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.